Don't forget, mate, just keep the line tight. Don't need to do anything at the minute. Just play the fish. Don't let the fish play you. Just keep it straight, mate. Just don't be bouncing the rod. Just keep the rod like that. Let the fish do what it's doing. Oh, big one. That's it. God, you're bending your back there, dude. Guys, keep it like that, mate. Just just keep it like that. If it's going left, just pull it to the right a little bit. Good lad. Yeah. Keep it like that. Tight lines. Don't try and pull it. That's it. As long as you keep that line tight, mate, if it goes right, just turn your hand to the left a little bit. Just trying to burrow down. Pulling. Definitely a carp.
Yeah, definitely.
Arms aching. Got your Weetabix this morning, mate. Told you there's big fish in here. Just keep it like that. Don't pull it too much, mate. You'll snap the line. So keep doing what you're doing. Good bend in the rod there, mate. Take it to the left a little bit. Yeah, keep it like that. Keep it like that. Not too much. Don't want it pinging off. And don't let it pull you in. You're jet skiing across the lake. That's it, don't rush it. And don't pull it up too much, mate, just in case it snaps off. Don't want to spook it with the net. Feel under pressure. Not too much. You haven't seen it yet. That's it, don't do it. That's a keep the line tight. Pick rod up. Don't let the line go slack like that, mate, because that's when it pings off. Right, if you wanted to, you could drop your rod a little bit and reel. That's enough, yeah. That's what you're doing there each time you do that, mate, is reducing your line. Aching. Keep at it, we haven't seen it. It's not ready, don't pull up too much. That's it, if it goes left, pull it right, yeah. Perfect. So keep the line tight, mate. Right, so start to reel a little bit. That's enough. It's not ready. Keep it away from the right. Keep it like that. That's it. Don't. Yeah. Don't yank it. Nice and smooth. Come up to 4 minutes. This, mate.
Okay.
Good lad. Keep it. Just don't do anything mad now, mate. Just keep it. We know it's hooked in well. Biggest of the day. That's it, mate. But look, don't, that's a rod up. Always keep the rod up. It's a big common. Oh, mate, I'm getting nervous. That's it, just keep it like that. Shitting myself. I don't reel in anymore now, mate, because your float's nearly at the end of the rod. Just keep doing that. Up. Don't let it go slack. Keep a bend in the rod. That's it, keep it like that, mate. Freaking hell. You're getting nervous? Yeah. Keep it up. Rod up. Rod up. Yeah. Oh shit. Now, don't you worry about the net, mate. Don't you try and lift it into the net. You just do exactly what you're doing. We're nearly 6 minutes in, mate. So it's giving you a good little... Don't worry about the net. Oh.